Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you made it back. Today I'm going to bring you a quick tutorial on how to make this Russian cord. It's made kind of similar to an I-cord, but it's, in my opinion, it looks way nicer, as you can see here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the tutorial. So today I'm going to be making a Russian cord, and the materials that I am using is a J or 6mm hook, and this is just a yarn by Red Heart. It is in the color Amethyst. Alright, first things first, we are going to make a slip knot and place that loop onto your hook. Now we are going to chain 2, and in the second chain from our hook, working pretty much on the side of our chain, as you can see there's the front, we're going to be working on the side and just going through that first loop. We are going to yarn over, pull through, and now we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through both. And instead of our traditional turning, we're just going to kind of rotate our work to where you can see the V right there. As you can see, this is how I was holding it. Just rotate it. And now you should be looking at it just like this, and you should see kind of a loop hanging off the bottom right here, where my thumb's at. And that's the loop that we're going to be working into. So you're going to go in just like this. And you're going to yarn over and pull through a loop. And now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. And we're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And once again, we're going to rotate our work to where you can see 2 loops right here. Those are the 2 loops that we're going to be working through on our next step. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to insert our hook into those 2 loops. Just like that. And we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through both, and we're going to rotate, and you should start seeing those 2 loops just kind of pop out at you. See right there in between my thumbs? And we're going to go through those 2. And as you keep going, this will get a little easier. So I suggest that you keep a loose tension. And just like that. And you can start seeing it forming. Just like that. I'm going to give a little bit of a closer view here of the 2 loops. As you can see, they're right there. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to identify where the loops are, and you'll get a lot faster at doing it. It's really not that hard once you get used to doing it. It's just the concept is a little confusing. Alright, so we are done with the tutorial. I hope that this video was informative and you learned a little something, hopefully. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, keep on crafting, have fun. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!